With a refreshed exterior, redesigned dashboard, and significant powertrain improvements, the 2024 models are now open for orders in the United States, with deliveries slated to begin in the summer. The base Cayenne model retains its turbocharged 3-liter V6 engine, now boasting an increased output of 348 horsepower and 368 pound-feet of torque. The Cayenne E-Hybrid, powered by a turbocharged V6, features a more potent electric motor with an output of 174 horsepower. This results in a combined power of 463 horsepower, an increase of 8 horsepower. The battery capacity is now 25.9 kilowatt-hour, and a new 11 kilowatts AC charger enables home charging in under 2.5 hours. The Cayenne S model now sports a twin-turbo 4-liter V8 engine, replacing the previous V6. Producing 468 horsepower and 442 pound-feet, this engine offers an improvement of 34 horsepower and 37 pound-feet. With the optional Sport Chrono package, both the standard and coupe models can reach 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds, with a top speed of 169 miles per hour. The top-of-the-line Cayenne Coupe Turbo GT houses a 650 horsepower twin-turbo 4-liter V8 engine. Capable of reaching 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds, it boasts a top speed of 189 miles per hour. The Turbo GT comes equipped with performance features like rear-wheel steering, air suspension, ceramic composite brakes, and titanium exhaust pipes as standard. All Cayenne models receive updated 2-valve shocks with separate rebound and compression stages, as well as standard Porsche active suspension management. Porsche claims that these enhancements result in improved pitch and roll management. An optional air suspension system, standard on the Turbo GT, provides a more distinct driving experience across normal, sport, and Sport Plus modes. The 2024 Cayenne models maintain a familiar look with notable refinements. Matrix design LED headlights, a new hood, and reshaped fenders are now standard. At the rear, redesigned taillights stretch uniformly across the back. 3 new color options are available: Algarve Blue Metallic, Montego Blue Metallic, and Arctic Gray. The Cayenne Coupe offers an optional lightweight sport package, shedding 72 pounds from the vehicle, though specific details have not been disclosed. Inside, the 2024 Cayenne features a completely revamped dashboard. A freestanding curved 12.6-inch digital instrument cluster sits in front of the driver, with steering wheel-mounted controls for easy access. The center stack includes a standard 12.3-inch infotainment display, with an angled console housing a mix of switches and capacitive buttons for HVAC controls. Additionally, a 10.9-inch passenger-side screen is available, enabling navigation and video streaming with a display layer to prevent driver distraction. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.